All right, welcome back. Our traders are answering your questions. So, Josh Brown, to you first from David on Twitter. Which stocks might be under the radar right now?
So I have a REIT that I think fits the bill. I own a REIT called Invitation Homes. It is the largest owner of single-family rental houses, and they're in the hottest job and employment markets in the country. They've got about 80,000 houses. So if you don't want to live in an apartment, you want to get out of the city, and you're looking for the suburbs, this might be a better option than trying to buy a house. So my guess is this is an underlooked idea that absolutely fits in the age of coronavirus.
All right, Invitation Homes there. Now, from Chris in Pennsylvania, this one is for Stephanie Link. I bought Lockheed Martin in early April, and it has rebounded well since then. Considering their recent earnings report, would you hold this stock or take profits and reinvest into another area? Stephanie Link.
I would absolutely hold this stock, and on any dips, I would buy more, actually. They had a very good quarter, good guidance, a book-to-bill of 1. Margins have upside, very good visibility. They're insulated from the pandemic. This is exactly the kind of name that you want to own, especially on a pullback. I like the name.
All right, Stephanie Link with that call on Lockheed Martin. From Dave in Boston, Massachusetts, Jim Lebenthal, you often speak of portfolio management and trimming. Don't you feel like this philosophy erodes returns for the at-home investor? Shouldn't we just buy and hold?
Hey, Dave, sometimes the stocks in a portfolio that underperform, you really want to add to them if the thesis hasn't changed. And you got to find some capital with which to do that. That's why I trim winners. But your question is a good one. The secret here is you don't want to do it too often. You got to let your winners run for a little while, but then use them as a source of capital for the ones that have underperformed.
All right, and Pete Nigerian, Jimmy from Tampa Bay, Florida, is Canada Goose a buy at these levels? Pete, you actually own it.
I own it, and I do think it's a buy at these levels. I look at it trading a forward of 21 times. It's very inexpensive, premier brand, and I think there's plenty of upside. I think the downside's we've already seen the downside.